My dear YouTubers, got a great video for you today. I'm going to be showing you the aftermarket floor liners for your Rav4 2019-2021. So this is the company that sent me this product. This is LASFIT floor liners precisely cut for your 2019, 2020, 2021 Rav4. Again, just to let you know, this is sponsor video, but I'm going to give you honest review of this product. We're going to install it and tell me what you think in the comments. And this is the 2019 Rav4, but it should be good for the 2021 model as well. So I open the package and let's see. I believe this is a passenger side, and this one is. This is for the rear. This is the driver's side. One thing I tell you, out of the box, what I really like about this product, this is honestly, you see these edges, they're like much deeper than the original Toyota. So this goes higher. So if you spill water, if you have some water, or so this will protect the corners of your trim of the car. Yeah, it looks good. And also you have the, like in the original floor mats, you can lock these in place. So we'll install it together. Now this piece goes on the back, but since this was folded in the package, that's why it's kind of, let me show you. Once you install it in the car, it's gonna actually go back to its original form. But I like it. Very nicely cut floor mats, and also on the back of here you have this little teeth, so the floor mats won't slide. See? And also here, I think this is also a locking mechanism here. You can pop this, but on the rear you don't have it. Like there's nowhere to lock these floor mats. But it's cool. They're not gonna slide because of these little things. So what I did, I took my old original Toyota floor liners, put them out, and before I'm gonna install these. But let me point this out to you guys. I left this on the sun and it's already falling back in place. So it was folded, these were folded in the box, so they're a little bit like squished, you know, like folded. But on the sun, they're actually forming back to its original form. You know, they're actually going back. And let me compare these to the original. So this is our driver, original from Toyota, and this is our LASFIT. The big difference I notice here, we have more of these little rubber, how do you call pin, the rubber pins or whatever, and this one doesn't have as many. You see this? So when you lay this one down, you lock it in place. Feels like it won't slide as much, but we're gonna install them and compare them. Another thing, the rubber on this one feels like harder and it's thicker. On the original, the rubber is thinner and it's more pliable, you know. And looks like this edge right here is taller. So when you have water, this LASFIT is actually gonna protect your carpet more. Even though Toyota has an edge here, right? But the LASFIT is a little bit taller, you see. So if you have like water or dirt or whatever, I think it would be better protection. And the passenger ones also precisely cut. When you flip this one over, this one has more of these rubber, I don't know what to call them, but like little small teeth. And here, and LASFIT doesn't have it here. They just have them like spread all around. So, and also the Toyota does not have a locking. There's like a LASFIT has like this hole, so this thing's supposed to come out. And if your model has like this locking little latch, you can lock this floor mat. On the rear, Also, LASFIT has these locking little holes to lock the floor mats. The original has like a bunch of these teeth, rubber teeth, and LASFIT doesn't have it. And there's like a Toyota logo. And this one doesn't have a logo. Only the front ones have LASFIT logos. But the Toyota has like a rubber stamped logo. But I do like the design of this LASFIT better. You see like these lines, Toyota has these lines. And these have a little different pattern. So this looks nicer. Actually, it does look nicer. And they're much taller on the side. Let's install the driver's side. I'm doing it with one hand. Perfect fit. Wow. Lock it in place. And this is what I was talking about. You see how much more this edge is taller? You have more protection here to protect this carpeting. And my original one, you see, they were not as tall, and the salt and water gets on this carpet. But LASFIT is much taller. And it perfectly lines, very nicely lines the trim. So these are all season. Let me read you something about these. They're all season, cut with a laser. Yeah, these are 100% thermoplastic elastomer rubber compound, which is called TEP, which they are wear resistant and flexible at all temperatures. These mats are very rugged. Like as you can see, like the rubber is much thicker than the original ones. They precisely cut with a laser, and very nice design, actually, very nice design. And it even says here the 3D laser technology used to measure and cut these Rav4 mats. Yeah. Very important thing I would like to mention, as I stated on their website, they are free of allergens, BPA, latex, and harmful PVCs, lead, phthalate, dioxin, cadmium, and other notorious stuff. And what's going on, like when it's a hot summer day, you know, you will not smell like the rubber in the car. So that's, you know, good, I guess, you know, because it's important. Some people have allergies, and you know, they don't like the certain smells of plastic. The LASFIT claims that these will not cause any of those issues. Let's install the passenger and then the rear. This is our passenger side. Perfect fit, but again, I want to point it out, I don't have this locking mechanism here, a little latch, but they do provide this little spacer here. I think some models, maybe in Europe, I don't know, they might have it, but not in North America. Guys, I love the way it fits. It's my honest opinion. It's not because this video is sponsored, but look at this. It fits precisely to this trim. You see? Goes all the way up. Yeah, that's nice. See, all around. The water have nowhere to go. Let's see how this fits. It's a good idea to leave them in the sun, so these little folds that will go back into its original shape. But yeah, since these were folded in the box, they're a little bit uneven, but this rubber will go back to its original form. See, like right here, that's not a big deal. Even my Toyota ones, they came like this. And once you set them in place, look at this. This This trim goes all the way up against this plastic, so there's no chance for the water to escape. Looks great, beautiful, and they're not gonna slide. Well, even here, look at this precision cut. Great. What do you think? Nice. Looks great. So in comparison to these Toyota, like LASFIT has more rough edges, and these are a little bit smoother. But again, this rubber is much softer. And these LASFIT feels like this rubber harder, and maybe feel like a little bit more durable. You know, it's up to you guys, whatever you want to install, but I'm definitely gonna keep these. I'm thinking of buying another Rav4, so I'm gonna keep these. These are great, protect your interior. Yeah, I have 2 dogs, so sometimes, you know, when I go on a road trip, my dog can throw up or something, and this will protect it. Floor liners, they also come with a nice little user manual, tell you about the product, tell you the contact information for the company, and you can log into the LASFIT.com. It tells you about the warranty, money back, all these options. Other important thing I would like to mention here, where I printed out, these are stain resistant, waterproof, and anti-slip, easy to clean and maintain. And I'm claiming it won't break down in extreme weather conditions or everyday wear like rain, slush, snow, or mud. Developed with an excellent material edges. They will not sludge due to wear and will not deform in winter. It's also easy to clean up after all the melt. The car mats will look brand new again. Okay, a lot of claiming. Another page I found here. Temperature difference up to 167 Fahrenheit. Well, I don't want to be in those conditions. And negative 13 Fahrenheit. Cool. Well guys, I would like to say thank you to LASFIT for sending me these for a review, and I give you my personal honest review of this product. I like it. I'm gonna definitely keep it, and I hope you guys like it and buy this product. And if you have any questions or comments, you can either email me or send me a message down, and don't forget to subscribe also. So thank you, and see you in the next video.